Redneck Muck, peace. So I'm gonna do a little quick video. Nothing crazy. Elvira, my Avanti, she's getting a little miss on occasion under full throttle. Sounds like she's running out of gas, so I assume my fuel filter is getting clogged up because she's set forever, which makes sense. She has a Quadrajet carburetor on, and they have a fuel filter kind of built into them. It is. So I just want to show you, this is the new fuel filter. If you look at it, you have a rubber gasket end and a solid end. Make sure the rubber gasket end goes toward your fuel line because it has a little one-way valve in it. I don't know if you could hear that or not. I was blowing through it. You could hear it. You try to suck through it. Nothing. So it's got a little one-way valve to keep fuel from flowing back out of the carburetor when it's off, more or less. That's about the only real purpose of it. But anyway, so toward fuel filter, toward the spring. I'm gonna flip you around. We're gonna get her done. All right, so she's all changed out. Look at this, I already smacked it once. That's goo coming from my tank to my fuel filter. So I bought more than one of these because I figured it was going to be interesting. So the best place to notice this is under extreme acceleration, and you're like, oh crap, why is it dying? Why is it falling on its face? Because it's running out of fuel. Because it's full of crap. So it's full of crap, you know? I mean, the car's set from the early 2000s until I started running it. So, you know, I put like 150 miles on it. I didn't flush the gas tank. Maybe I should have tried, but it was empty. It was a good looking tank. Couldn't really see down in it, and it's a real bear to get out. But anyway, so yeah, I'll just keep some fuel filters and I'll keep running it, and hopefully it'll get it all cleaned out and due process. And there you go. I don't know if you noticed, but most of these cars, when they come out from the factory, have a full metal line on it. Some PA, previous owner, that'd be a PO, wouldn't it? Previous owner. Yeah, okay, PO. Some PO, POS, cut the metal line and replace it with a rubber line. It happens. Maybe that metal line sprung a leak or something, or they just couldn't get the line to break loose. They got a little 5/8 nut going into the fitting that the fuel filter's on, and some people don't have line wrenches and can't get that thing loose. So it's hard to say, but anyway, it's got a rubber hose on it. I can live with that. I'm not horrible about that kind of stuff, but anyway, so it made it real easy on me. I took 2 hose clamps loose because it's double hose clamped for safety. But anyway, yeah, there you go. It really is a 5-minute job. You know, I mean, it takes longer to gather tools than it does to really change it. And if you've never changed one on your Quadrajet, today's your day. Get online, Rock Auto, Amazon, go to Napa, go to O'Reilly, go to AutoZone. I don't care. Go to any of those parts places. They might even have them at Walmart. I don't know if you got the right Walmart. Your hardware store. You got the right hardware store, they might have it. But it's a pretty common fuel filter. Get one, change it. Save yourself some headache in the future. So anyway, Redneck Muck, peace.